This is Attorney Christopher Ripley. I am an attorney with CCSK Law. Let's talk just a little bit about what might happen if we delay an application for Medicaid. Well, first off, we might be shortchanging ourselves or our loved ones for potential benefits coverage. A Medicaid application can only go back 3 months before the month of application. So say, for example, we file an application on Halloween. Well, that's October 31st. We can definitely get October, but we can also go 3 months back before October. So we can go back to September and August and July. So we can go July 1st forward. And if we then had, we qualified for eligibility in those 3 months, well, then we might be okay for that time period. Now, that might be still having to make sure that we meet, the resource test and the level of care test and the income test. But if we do, that application can cover that period. If, however, we keep delaying and we move to November, to November 30th or December 31st or, January 31st, each time we delay another month, we lose a month because we can't go back again. So that delay creates these months where coverage is now impossible, where we're only looking at the private pay rate in a nursing facility, where other covered services are simply not going to be covered by the state program. Now again, what this might do, what this cost of this delay might be, is missing out on the opportunity to get those services, and it's, depending upon an individual's needs, this might be what is maintaining their quality of life, maintaining their physical abilities, their capacities, maintaining their mobility. This may be what is, what may be providing the best and most healthful environment for them. That maybe, having that facility level of care is much of a medical necessity, that they may not be as safe or as healthy in other environments, and so it may be diminishing their quality of life. This also can run up a substantial bill with area nursing facilities. And there's a delay in an application for, say, 4 months, and then an application is made, but we can't go back. Well, then there may be 3 or 4 months of uncovered residency. Well, at $9,000 a month, that may be $36,000. These sums add up very quickly because of the high cost of nursing facility care. Now, that's not to say anything negative about nursing facilities. The kind of care that they're providing is 24/7, 365 care in facilities specifically tailored to the needs of residents. I mean, this is, high-level stuff that simply can't always be replicated out in the community. But those balances can accumulate very quickly. This can put stress on the facility. This can also put stress on the family as they're trying to figure out how these bills are going to get paid and these open questions. That stress, can cause, family caregivers to be staying up nights, worried about funding, worried about their loved one's care. And then additionally, having a delayed application filed and maybe having to go through a later appeal or a reapplication provides for quite a bit of additional stress. And I've certainly had a great many application situations or conversations with family members where, maybe the family's delayed before coming to see me, or there's been, an appeal, because maybe there was a delay in producing documents or a caseworker error. And I hear the fear in a family member's voice where they are staying up, at night, trying to figure out, well, how is this going to work? How is this all going to fit together? For most folks, this is their first and hopefully only application experience. It's going to be totally new to them, very, anxiety-inducing under good circumstances. Creating new sources of stress only makes that process more harrowing. And so we want to bring that temperature down as much as we can, allow family members to focus on their loved ones in facilities in need so that they are there providing care and providing emotional support and spending time with their loved ones rather than worrying about the paperwork, rather than worrying about whether or not the bill's going to be paid. And we can best avoid that by getting out ahead and not delaying an application. The best way to do that is to talk with a facility up front and talk with an attorney. If you'd like more information or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at CCSK Law, 57 Michigan Avenue, Suite 101, here in Valparaiso, Indiana, 46383, or give us a call at 219-230-3600 on the website at ccskaw.com.